Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the stocks where the major trend reversal is being seen here. Now, the first stock that I'm going to talk about is IEX, and as you can clearly see, stock after heading from stage 4 downtrend is now heading into stage 3 here, and stage 2 uptrend here. So currently on my chart, the black line is the 30-week moving average line, and you can clearly see the stock had formed a short base here of stage 1 and then entered into stage 3 and stage 2 uptrend here, right? So basically now, as far as the structure is concerned here, the relative strength of the stock, the 52-week RS, is not in green here. So I would not suggest you to go full quantity in this particular script here. And as well as the stage 1 base that you see here, this base is too short to be called as a base, to be honest. For a proper base to be formed, I would suggest that always have a period of around 2 to 3 years. That means where the sellers would have been completely dried out and buyers can then take control of the stock here. Now the stock has huge possibility of reversal from 170 rupees or so, because stock has been reversing from that point, or you can clearly see there is a resistance point here. And yeah, so this is the first stock, that is IEX. Second stock that I'm going to talk about is INDIAMART Intermesh here. So this is one of the stocks where we entered at around 5400 rupees with a stop loss of 5,000 and targets of 6700. So as you can clearly see, this is one of the similar base, but this base is of around 1 year, right? So from Jan 2022 to April 2023, so the base period is around 1.5 year. The relative strength also has turned positive in this particular script, so this gives much more confidence than IEX here. Okay, so this is one of the stocks that can be kept on your radar, and wait for a pullback in this particular script till 54, 5500 if you have not entered. Currently, the risk to reward ratio is not that great. The risk to reward ratio would be suitable at around 5400, 5500 rupees only. The third stock that I'm going to talk about is SONACOMS. Now, SONACOMS has also seen a big reversal, and I had given this a buy call at around 500 rupees or so. Now, as you can clearly see, the stock has moved above the 30-week moving average line. The volume has been the highest, as well as the stock has broken out of the good resistance area. If we look at the relative strength line has not turned into green, so that is one of the problematic things. You always observe the relative strength line is also turning green for stocks where the base period is also high. Now in this basing period, this the stage 1 base is too short to be called as a base. So that is why I would not prefer that much compared to other stocks where the RS is turning into green, right? So FSL is one of the stocks where the RS is turning into green and is looking strong here. Apart from that, you can clearly see the basing period is almost of 1 year, and this was a good stage 4 downtrend where stock fell from 200 rupees to 190 rupees or so, 95 rupees or so. Now you can clearly see the volume has been the highest, and the relative strength is now turning into green. Overall, if you look at the chart, it is now turning out to be positive. Now all of these stocks, I had given all of these calls before the breakout had happened, so that you could buy these stocks before the breakout has happened here. Now you can clearly see FSL going into stage 2 where I had given the stocks at around 127 as well. Now here as well I had given FSL at 120 where the stock was breaking out of stage 1 here. Now as you can clearly see, the stocks are the suggestions are being given before the breakout is happening and not after the breakout is happening here. So I'm going to share the link in the description of the Telegram channel, that is Techno Charts, and you can join the Telegram for further analysis. We also give analysis on IPO stocks like Fusion, Metro Brands, and the Dream Folks, where Dream Folks has moved around 5 to 7% after the breakout from 465. So if you look at the chart of Dream Folks IPO, the stock had given a breakout at around 460 rupees. Now stock touched a high of 507 and is now retesting the breakout area. So currently at this market price also the stock looks good, and the relative strength is in green for the daily time frame, and there is no weekly chart, so there is no weekly RS52. So yeah, so we'll have to wait for that formation here, right? I hope you understood the logic of the trades, and understood the basics of stage analysis as well as the conditions of relative strength. Do like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends who are investing into stocks such as IEX, FSL, SONACOMS, INDIAMART, and Dreamfox. Right? Thank you.